Imagine leaving a job and not receiving your rightful dues. Final settlements are crucial for ensuring fairness and trust between employers and employees. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the final settlement. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more useful updates and see the description box for the recommended books to read as an HR professional. Incorrect settlements can lead to legal complications. Employers must adhere to labor laws to avoid penalties. Accurate settlements reflect a company's integrity and commitment to its workforce. Employment contracts can be unlimited or limited. Each type has distinct implications for final settlements. Understanding these differences is key to ensuring compliance and fairness. Reasons for termination, whether resignation or dismissal, affect settlements. Knowing the contract type helps determine the correct entitlements and obligations for both parties. Calculating unpaid salary involves a simple formula: total salary 30x, number of unpaid working days. You must also add annual leaves, which have been collected. However, the payment for the annual leaves are calculated as per the basic salary. The formulas are mentioned in the description box. For gratuity calculations, there is a link mentioned in the description box where you can calculate as per the UAE labor laws. Annual leaves, which are mentioned as AL in the video, are called the accrued leaves. Sick leaves are not added in the accrued annual leave. How do we calculate the final settlement amount? Add up all the components. Final settlement =, unpaid salary plus accrued leave plus end of service gratuity plus other entitlements, deductions. These are mandatory component of the final settlement. Kindly be informed about the time period to prepare a final settlement for the employee. Ensure the employee signs the statement to acknowledge receipt. Process the payment within 14 days of the employee's last working day as per UAE labor law. Gratuity is calculated based on service length. For unlimited contracts, it's 21 days of basic salary per year for the first 5 years, then 30 days thereafter. The formula is on the screen. Also, if you check the description box, there is a link which calculates the gratuity automatically as per the UAE labor laws. Limited contracts follow similar rules. However, resignations within the first year don't qualify for a gratuity. Understanding these nuances is crucial for accurate settlements. Common deductions include loans and advances. Proper documentation and employee consent are essential to avoid disputes and ensure transparency. Include unpaid overtime and bonuses in settlements. These entitlements must be calculated accurately to reflect the employee's contributions and maintain fairness. Combine all components: unpaid salary, accrued leave, gratuity, and other entitlements. Deduct any outstanding amounts to calculate the final settlement accurately. Let's explore a step-by-step example. This ensures compliance with UAE labor law and provides a clear understanding of the final settlement process. Prepare and issue the final settlement statement. Employee acknowledgement is crucial for transparency and closure. This step ensures both parties are on the same page. Visa cancellation and obtaining clearance are final steps. These ensure all legal obligations are met, allowing both parties to move forward without lingering issues. Recap. We've covered the importance of final settlements, employment types, and calculations. By following these steps, you ensure compliance and fairness in the settlement process. Takeaway: by mastering final settlements, you'll foster trust and compliance, ensuring a smooth transition for departing employees. Call to action: review your company's settlement procedures today. Ensure they align with legal standards and reflect your commitment to fairness and transparency. Let's continue learning together. Join us in our next video, where we'll explore more HR best practices to enhance your workplace.